Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. 2002 to 2010. And if you guys have problems, with the traction control button, also known as PSM, stay with us and we'll show you guys which fuse you need to check for that button. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on a Porsche Cayenne, electrical videos, and we'll have probably 200 mechanical videos on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys, so please check them out. Now let me show you where that button is located quick. Okay, I'm talking about this button, right here. So, if we come to the right side now, right passenger side, you're going to see, we need to have a plastic panel removal too. This cover right here needs to come out. We have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Fuse numbers are on the rear, and we need to find fuse number 38, which is the first fuse on the 4th row. Okay, this is the 4th row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 1, that 10M fuse, guys. Okay, so we'll replace it with a new one now. Okay. You can find, guys, in the description of the video below where we get all the fuses for a really good price. We're going to... I'm going to go ahead and close it now. So let me find the keys quick for the car to see where I left them. Okay, and see if it's going to work this time. Okay, they're actually in the car. That's pretty smart, right? So, so if we start it, guys, this is the PSM button. Okay, it works. You can see the light comes on, PSM off. So that definitely, guys, takes care of the problem. So, thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.